Are you ready to earn some extra cash without leaving your couch? These apps have got you covered. On My Way rewards you for driving safely. Cashmall gives you cash back for shopping online. Gamehag pays you for playing games. PolPay pays you to speak your mind and make money, well, the name says it all. By using these apps, you can turn your spare time into spare cash and start living your best life. So put on your seatbelt, grab your phone, and get ready to make money like a pro. On My Way app. Are you tired of spending all your money on gas and car expenses? Do you wish there was a way to make money while you drive? Look no further than On My Way, the app that rewards you for safe driving. Signing up for On My Way is quick and easy, and once you're registered, you can start earning points right away. The app runs in the background while driving and tracks your movements to ensure you're driving safely. For every mile you drive without using your phone, you earn points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. But that's not all. On My Way also offers daily and weekly challenges that earn you even more points. You can invite your friends to join the app and earn bonus points for every successful referral. Users can make up to $50 per month with On My Way. That's $600 per year for simply driving safely. Plus, you can feel good knowing you're promoting safe driving habits and improving the roads for everyone. So why not download On My Way today and start making money while you drive? Cashmall app. Now let's move on to Cashmall, the app that lets you earn cash back for your online shopping. Are you an avid online shopper? Do you love browsing your favorite online stores and adding items to your cart? If so, you'll love Cashmall, the app that lets you earn cash back for your online purchases. Cashmall partners with over 1,000 retailers, including big names like Amazon, Target, and Walmart, as well as smaller boutique stores. Signing up for Cashmall is quick and easy. You only need to download the app, create an account, and start shopping. Once you find something you want to buy, simply click on the store through the Cashmall app and your purchase will be tracked. You'll earn a percentage of your total purchase as cashback, which you can then withdraw as cash or gift cards. It's like getting paid to shop. But how much can you make with Cashmall? Well, it all depends on how much you shop. On average, Cashmall users can earn between 2 to 5% cashback on their purchases. That might not seem like a lot, but it can add up if you're a frequent online shopper. For example, if you spend $500 monthly online shopping and earn a 5% cashback rate, you could earn $300 over a year. That's like getting a 3 months worth of shopping. And if you combine Cashmall with other money-making apps like On My Way or Gamehag, you can boost your earnings. One thing to remember with Cashmall is that your cashback can take a few days to be credited to your account. But don't worry, Cashmall will keep you updated on the status of your purchases, so you know when to expect your earnings. And if you have any issues with your account, Cashmall has a customer service team available to help you. Gamehag app. Are you a gamer? Do you love playing video games on your phone or computer? If so, you'll want to check out Gamehag, the app that lets you earn rewards for playing games. Signing up for Gamehag is quick and easy. All you need to do is create an account and start playing games. As you play, you'll earn soul gems, which can be exchanged for gift cards, game keys, and other rewards. You can even earn soul gems by completing quests, watching videos, and participating in surveys. So how much can you really earn with GameTag? Well, it depends on how much time you're willing to invest. On average, Gamehag users can earn around 500 to 1,000 soul gems per day, equivalent to 50 cents to $1. That might not seem like a lot, but if you're a dedicated gamer and spend a few hours a day playing, it can really add up. And if you combine Gamehag with other money-making apps like Cashmall or PolPay, you can boost your earnings even further. One of the great things about Gamehag is that it offers various rewards. You can redeem your soul gems for gift cards to popular stores like Amazon, Google Play, and iTunes, or use them to unlock new games and in-game items. And if you're feeling generous, you can even donate your soul gems to charity. Overall, Gamehag is a fun and easy way to earn rewards for something you're already doing, playing games, so why not give it a try? Download Gamehag today and start earning rewards for your gaming skills. If you're enjoying these tips on making money from your phone, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all our latest content. PolPay app. Do you like sharing your opinions and getting paid for it? Then you'll love PolPay, the app that pays you for taking surveys. Signing up for PolPay is a breeze. Just create an account and start browsing through the available surveys. Each survey pays a different amount, ranging from a few cents to a few dollars. The longer and more detailed the survey, the more you can earn. On average, PolPay users can expect to earn around $1 to $2 per survey. Of course, the more surveys you take, the more you can earn. And if you enjoy providing detailed feedback and participating in focus groups, you can earn even more. But PolPay isn't just about taking surveys. The app also offers other ways to earn money, like watching videos and completing offers. And if you refer your friends to PolPay, you can earn a bonus for each person who signs up. So if you're looking for a simple and straightforward way to earn money in your spare time, try PolPay. It's an excellent option for anyone who enjoys sharing their opinions and wants to make some extra cash. Make Money app. The Make Money app is worth checking out if you're looking for various ways to earn money from your phone. With this app, you can earn money by completing tasks like downloading apps, watching videos, and taking surveys. Signing up for Make Money is easy. Just create an account and start browsing through the available tasks. The amount you can earn from each task varies, but on average you can expect to earn a few cents to a few dollars per task. Of course, the more tasks you complete, the more you can earn. And if you refer your friends to Make Money, you can earn a bonus for each person who signs up. But what sets Make Money apart from the other money-making apps is the variety of tasks available. There's always something new to explore, from downloading new apps to trying out new games. And with a user-friendly interface and a wide selection of tasks, it's easy to find something that fits your interests. On average, Make Money users can earn around $50 to $100 monthly. While this may not seem like a lot, it can add up over time. And if you enjoy exploring new apps and trying out new products, then Make Money is a great option for earning extra cash. So what are you waiting for? Download Make Money today and start earning money from your phone. So there you have it, folks, our top 5 apps for making money online for free. While it's essential to keep in mind that these apps won't make you rich overnight, they can definitely provide some extra income when used together. On average, you could make around $50 to $100 monthly with these apps, depending on how much time and effort you put into them. Remember always to be safe and cautious when investing your time and money. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you at the next one.